Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Measure precisely 300 g granulated sugar, 110 g glucose syrup, and 90 g honey. Have 4 large egg whites at room temperature and 1/4 teaspoon salt ready. Toast 250 g almonds or mixed nuts for 10 minutes at 160 degrees C, then cool. Line a 20x 20 cm pan with baking paper and a light oil spray or softened butter. Cut parchment to overhang for easy removal. Set a candy thermometer, a heavy saucepan, and a rubber spatula nearby. Organize ingredients so syrup, whites, and nuts are ready to combine without delay. Combine sugar, 110 g glucose syrup, and 90 g honey in a heavy saucepan with 60 ml water. Stir until damp. Clip a candy thermometer and heat to 140 degrees C over medium-high heat without stirring once it boils. Meanwhile, whip 4 egg whites with 1/4 teaspoon salt on medium-high until stiff, glossy peaks form. When the syrup hits 140 degrees C, remove from heat and immediately pour in a thin, steady stream down the bowl side while whipping. Continue whipping for about 6 to 8 minutes. Fold 250 g toasted nuts into the whipped nougat gently but thoroughly, using a rubber spatula so you keep volume. Transfer the sticky mass into the prepared 20x 20 cm pan, spreading to the edges and pressing to compact evenly. Place a second piece of parchment on top and press with a flat board to level. Let the nougat set at room temperature for 6 to 8 hours, uncovered. Dust a sharp knife with cornstarch to prevent sticking. Slice into bars and store in an airtight container up to 2 weeks, separating layers with parchment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.